Lash Multipack. The perfect starter kit to elevate your lash look. These natural-looking false lashes are easy to apply and blend seamlessly with your own lashes, reusable and contact lens friendly. High quality. Add length, volume and definition to your look. Made with top quality, 100% natural human hair, these extensions are lightweight and comfortable to wear. Include silicone tool for easier application. Kiss lashes. Our upscale lash lineup includes fab lashes for every look and occasion. In an instant, mink lashes, wispy lashes, magnetic lashes and more must-have styles will give your eyes all-out glam. Beauty products. Try the full range of Kiss bestsellers including manicure glues, removers, press-on nails, natural-looking and voluminous lashes, Korean beauty products, hair tools and makeup. Bring the salon home. Kiss encourages women to bring the salon home and express their individual style and beauty with high-quality and professional DIY products at affordable prices. Top reviews from the United States. Number 1 Lashes, best for Asian eyes and a beautiful, natural look. Okay, I am somewhat of an amateur expert on lashes now and I experimented with several brands till I found the right ones. I am in love with these and the price is on point too.